How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do the best exercises to make your fingers slimmer. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we're going to do is going to be extensions, just like this. It's 40, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do curls just like this. .30, keep going. .50, keep going. Perfect. We're then going to do the claw stretch. So get your hands squeeze really, really tight and hold. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.